lace mold is very popular with sugar artists and cake decorators because it enables them to actually duplicate the lace from a bride's veil or her dress and reproduce it in sugar or chocolate and decorate a cake with it. When you are choosing the lace to make a mold from, what you want to do is you want to try to find what's called a lace applique. Now, a lace applique is usually an individual design and it has very distinct borders. It also has a thicker construction, which makes it very, very good for mold making. Lace that you'll find on spools and rolls a lot of times are very, very thin, and while you can make a mold of them, the design isn't going to come through very well. So I have here a lace applique in the shape of a heart. Now, the first challenge making a lace mold is that it is made out of a fabric. And we're going to have to seal this. If we don't, the silicone plastique is going to embed itself in the actual structure of the lace. It's going to ruin your lace and it's going to ruin your mold. Something you should also know is that lace has a front or top, a back or a bottom. And if you look at the lace really close, you'll see that the front or top side is a much better side to use, and that is the side that we're actually going to put the silicone plastique onto. The back side of the lace looks more like what you would find on the back of a carpet or a rug. You still see the design, but it's not as nice. Now, because we're going to use this mold with food, what we want to do is we want to seal this, but you really can't go to a hardware store, buy some sealer. So this is a material called Sealed It. When you're finished using it, you will have sealed it. Anyway, what you want to do is you want to take a natural bristle brush. We use a natural bristle brush because it's really firm. And this is simply a paste made out of food-grade waxes. And if you just rub your brush on the top of the Sealed It, it gets very, very white and it kind of gets whipped up. Now, this is not a time to be stingy. What you want to do is you want to use your brush and you want to take a decent amount of Sealed It and you want to apply it right to the lace. Now, you don't have to be really delicate. Lace is fairly strong, and it's more important that you force the Sealed It into the structure of this lace. Now, if you notice, I'm going in all different directions. It's not good enough just to do one side of lace. We're going to pick it up, and we're going to turn it over, and we're going to apply Sealed It to the other side. There. So now you can see this is how it should look. You're assured that you're going to get a nice seal if you put this much Sealed It on there. Now that we have the lace applique thoroughly coated with Sealed It on both sides, what we need to do is remove the excess. Making a mold of something like this is just not going to be satisfactory. So, what we're going to do, a very easy way to accomplish this, is to simply take our lace, and I have double paper towels, a double layer. I'm just going to lay my lace down onto the paper towel. I'm going to take another double layer. I'm going to put it right on top. Now, before I show you what we do with this, I want to show you that the excess Sealed It that you have on your workboard here can be reused in another project. Sealed It never dries out. It doesn't go bad. You can use it over and over again. Sealed It is available at makeyourownmolds.com. So, now that we have the lace sandwiched between the paper towels, what we do is we're going to take this whole assembly here and we're going to put it in an oven set at 200 to 250 degrees. Now that's not hot enough to ignite the paper towels, so you don't have to worry about that. And we're going to put it into the oven, and then after about 10 minutes, go ahead and just take it out. You'll find that the Sealed It has actually liquefied, and it has incorporated itself completely in the structure of the lace, and the detail is back. So now we've done our job. We have sealed the lace, and we can move to the next step in making this mold.